again to the ACE channel, where we look at some of the ACE products that are on sale from us. Remember, we sell anything from a connector to a radio mast, and all brands from Intel to Zartec. Let's have a look at what we'll be doing today.
And today we will be having a look at one of the new speakers that is available through NOVA, which is a NOVA speaker, obviously the RCW brand. And let's see what is this. This is a LSP 103. It is a replacement of the old LSP 103, so this is a newer one, which is a horn type speaker. As you can see, it's nice and compact, and in this case it is a 20 watt speaker. So this is ideal if you have a vehicle that is in a high noise environment, maybe a base station that is fitted somewhere where you need to have some decent sound. I think the cable on here is a good 3 meters, and yeah, this could be ideal for vehicles, a heavy machinery base station type application, or similar. So do make sure that you inquire from us about the speaker. And while we're on the subject, let's just have a look at another speaker which people often buy from us for the industry. It is a external speaker. I will put the code in below. I'm not sure what the code is, but this is the old, we just generally refer to as the QD speaker, as it is known in our radio talk. It is a nice small little speaker. I think it is 4 ohm, but I think the wattage is quite low on this one. It comes with a short cable. I wouldn't think that this is more than a meter, only soldered tips at the end. So yeah, plastic all round, really cheap speaker, which is ideal for a base station or in a vehicle installation. Fairly heavy, so it must have a decent size cone in it, and ideal for two-way radios or some other devices. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe the video, or subscribe to my videos, share and comment if you want anything else to be looked at.
Thank you for watching another great review from ACE Comms. Please like, subscribe and share our videos. Also feel free to send a comment, request for a review or just a shout out. Stay safe till next time.